Hello friends, this is Sumit Bhangde, Abacus, Vedic Maths and CBSE and State Board Mathematics coach. And today I am here to explain you the topic polynomial. Before we start with polynomial, first of all you must know what do you mean by the term expression. Expression is a mathematical statement in which there is no equal to sign. If you have a equal to sign in that, it will be called as equation, as it is been shown here. Number 2 is in multiplication with a letter x, so that number will be called as coefficient or numerical coefficient. The letter x is called as variable as it can take various values. It can have various values. And the number 7 is called as constant as its value is not going to change. Coming to the next segment, that is polynomial. Polynomial is an expression in which the power of the variable is always a whole number. For example, it can be 0, 1, 2, 3 till infinity, but it cannot be negative. If its power is negative -1, -2, it will not be called as polynomial. Then you must know the term constant polynomial. Constant polynomial, any constant can be called as constant polynomial as it can be represented in the form of multiplication with an variable, where the power of the variable is 0, like it is been shown over here. The power of the variable is 0, so it is called as constant polynomial. Now let's see the next term and let's understand it, that is degree of a polynomial. What do you mean by the term degree? The highest power of the variable in a polynomial, that will be called as degree of the polynomial. If the polynomial is in a single variable, then the highest power of the polynomial of that single variable in that given expression will be called as its degree. For example, here in this example, the highest power is 4 of x. Therefore, 4 will be the degree of the given example. If it is a polynomial in multiple variables, that is there are more than one variable in that, then you add the power of all the variables in each term, and the highest value of the addition of each term, the highest out of that will be called as the degree of that expression or polynomial. Let's see the next term, that is how the polynomial are being distinguished based upon the degree. If the degree of a polynomial is 1, the highest degree or the highest power of the variable or the degree is 1, it is called as linear polynomial. If the highest degree or if the degree of the polynomial is 2, you call it as quadratic polynomial, and if the degree is 3, you call it as cubic polynomial. If the degree of the polynomial is 4, you call it as biquadratic polynomial, and in the way you can go on defining it. Now let's see the classification of polynomials based upon the number of terms. Now what do you mean by the word term? A term is a segment of an expression which is formed due to various operations like addition and subtraction. If there is in a polynomial, if there is only a single term, you call it as monomial. If there are two terms, you call them as binomial, and if there are three terms, you call it as trinomial, as shown here. Now let us understand the term zeros of the polynomial. If for a certain value of a variable, the value of the polynomial becomes 0, that certain value of the variable will be called as 0 of the polynomial, as shown in this example. Here the 0 of the polynomial is 2, because when you are going to put that value in the polynomial, the value of the polynomial you are getting is 0. Now what do you mean by root of a polynomial? If you put a equal to sign in a polynomial, it becomes polynomial equation, and for a certain value of the variable, if the value of the polynomial equation becomes 0, that particular value of the variable will be called as root of the polynomial equation and not 0 of the polynomial equation. As shown in this example, here the value 3 and minus 4, if you put it in the equation, polynomial equation, you are going to get its value as 0. Therefore, they will be called as root of the polynomial. I hope you have understood all these concepts in detail. Thank you very much for listening me.